Model, 2015 Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI 125PS 350 L3H3 rear-wheel drive, needs turbo replacing. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 144,730. Engine, 2,198 cc 2.2 125PS TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Just had all the work done for the MOT including new brakes all around, literally just needs a simple turbo replacement and will be a very good van, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van.